Hi guys, Michael Essick here. We've launched a couple of new updates inside Ideally, so I just want to walk you through them in this video. So the first one is the ability to generate custom styles from a reference image. So here on the New Image tab, if you click on New Image, you'll see we've got this new button. It says Upload Reference, and that allows you to upload an image reference, to tell the AI that we want to create something in this same style. So here we've got this kind of basic black and white illustration with a kind of simple illustration style. I'm just going to say that I want the text to be "Take me home, country toad," and let's change the subject to a frog in a cowboy hat and see what it does with that. So what this is going to do is take that reference image. It's going to say we want to create something in that same style, but obviously we want to change the text and we want to change the illustration. And here's what it's done with that. So "Take me home, country toad." Nice, matching of the font. It's really matched the illustration style. It's obviously matched the colors and everything that we had from that reference image. It's done a great job with that. So this is what you can now do, and this is going to automatically save that that reference as a style for you to use for future generations as well. So if you want to use that, you can. Let me just give another example here just to show you what this can do. So I got a different image here that I'm going to upload. So these are designs that I've previously created or generated with the AI, and I just like the style. So here, this one is kind of screen print vintage style. Let's say we want to do got that log in me, and we'll do a cute beaver. And let's see what it does with that. So again, this is automatically going to take that reference image. It's going to swap out the text, but it's going to try and maintain the style. So as you can see here, it has maintained that style. It's given us a green beaver, but it's really done a good job of matching that same visual and aesthetic that we had in the previous one. And of course, you can regenerate these. If you're not happy with the first time around, you'll get different results from regenerating these images as well. Sometimes you'll get different, slightly different colors or different illustration styles and stuff like that. So have a play around with this. I'm thinking this is pretty much replacing some of the kind of old ways of doing things when we had to train our own LoRAs to generate different styles. Now currently we have the ability to upload an image and then you generate a style, but who knows down the line where we could go with this. Now the other thing I want to show you that we can also do here with this new model is we can edit the images. So here, let's say we don't like the fact that this guy is green. We can actually hit on the drop down menu, we can hit this edit image option, and we can say change the beaver from green to brown, and let's see if it understands us. So what this should do, fingers crossed, is this should understand what we've asked it to do, and it's going to update it, and there we go, it's done that live for us. It's changed the color from green to brown, and now we've got the image that we wanted. Or we could even get really fancy and say, this is stretching it a little bit, but let's say give the beaver paws instead of claws, because he's got kind of weird hands. So let's see if that works as well. Fingers crossed. This is flying by the seat of my pants here, but I just want to experiment with things and show you stuff. Okay, hasn't really understood that one, but okay, whatever. You might find it does better at certain things than others, certain details that it gets right, but certainly for this kind of style transfer, as you might call it, like uploading an image and generating the same style, it does a really good job of that. And so you can do this with any of your previous images as well. You can attempt to edit them or change details about them. Doesn't matter what model they were used for. We're using a particular model to do the edits. It's called Flux Context Pro, but that's kind of baked in. You don't need to know about that. You don't need to select it. It will all be automatically selected for you. So we could say on this one, change the text to blobfish forever, and see what it does with that. So it should, again, like just take that image as a reference image, and it's just going to make edits to that image. So you can see there, it's done a really good job of just replacing the text and changing that design for us, but maintaining the illustration. And again, if we wanted to do something like change the blobfish to an octopus and change the text to armed and dangerous. Stretching it a little bit here, but let's see how it does. Again, this should do a pretty good job of imitating that same visual style, the style of the illustration, the colors, and there we go. It's given us a very good first attempt at making those edits to that image. Now, of course, once you've got an image there, you can do all the typical things. You can color correct it. You can remove the background to generate an upload ready design so that you can upload it, and all the typical things that we do here with our images. And the styles that you upload will be saved here, so you can edit them, and you can even expand the prompts if you like here so that you can reuse them again and again. But that's custom styles from reference images. That's now live inside Idealy. Have a play around with it. It is a kind of beta launch, but it should be working fairly well for most things. There's a couple of bugs here and there, but if you spot anything, just let me know via the feedback form. But yeah, have a play around. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any issues, and let me know if there's any features or things that you'd really like it to be able to do. So if you spot something that you're like, oh, it would be cool if it did this as well, let me know. But this is just the first beta version of this, and I think we've got some exciting updates planned for where we can take this in the future, so stay tuned. But just want to get that out there and share it with you today. Go and have a play and enjoy, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, thanks guys, bye bye.